Hi everyone, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Mintel. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Mintel, what kind of information is available, and how to search and navigate reports. Let's get started. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, click on the List of Business Databases link. This link will take you to the library's A to Z list of databases filtered by business, finance, and economics. You'll find Mintel on this list. Mintel includes market research reports for Europe, the UK, and the US that cover a variety of sectors including consumer goods, travel and tourism, finance, retail, and more. Reports discuss market drivers, market sizes and trends, market segmentation, supply structure, advertising and promotion, retail distribution, consumer characteristics, and market forecasts. Once you've accepted the terms and conditions, you'll be brought to the Mintel Insights homepage. Here you can find recently published reports, search for reports by keyword, or browse for reports using the filters for category, region, trends, and demographics. Keep in mind that if you choose to filter first, those filters will apply to any keyword search you do afterwards. To remove the filters, you can click on the X next to each item or clear them all. Let's do a keyword search for chocolate. As you can see, Mintel offers suggested keywords as well as reports based on your search term. Once you've found a report you're interested in, click on the title to open it. At the top of the page, you'll find more information on what is covered in the report, information about the analyst, and related reports. You'll also find links to download the full report or pieces of the report, as well as the interactive data book, which we'll look at more closely in a moment. If you scroll down to report content, you'll find an overview of the report that you can use to confirm that the report includes the information you're interested in. The Market tab provides information such as market size, forecast data, market breakdown, and more. In the Consumer section, you'll find key insights into consumer behavior. In this report on chocolate, we can see the types of chocolate that have been purchased or locations consumers are purchasing these products. Under Brand and Company, you'll find information on what's working and what areas to watch, as well as what areas of the industry are struggling. The Data section will allow you to download all of the raw data used to compile this report or find additional insights. Now let's go back to the interactive data book I mentioned earlier. Please note that you will need to create your own profile to access this feature. Here you can quickly select the data you're interested in from the drop-down and go directly to an interactive spreadsheet. At the top, you can select the question or demographic you want to explore. You can easily change how to view the data, what information you want to include, and download. For more information on using the interactive data book feature in Mintel, you can click on the Start Tour link on the left-hand side of the screen. To return to the report, just click on Go to Report in the upper right-hand corner. If you are using Mintel specifically for consumer data, you can access all of the data books directly from the Analytics tab at the very top of the page. Now you know how to access Mintel, what kind of information is available, and how to search and navigate reports. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.